If you want to learn Git, you might find it a little bit hard because it's a new concept. It's hard if you do not have the right resources, because you find such big graphs which describe a lot and they're a bit confusing, or you find more simple graphs or more simple ways of using it, but it's still it may be confusing or tedious or not fun. And in this video, I'm going to show you a way to mix fun and Git together, and that is with the help of Oh My Git. As it states here, Oh My Git is an open source game about learning Git. So if you pass the game, you will get a time travel diploma, because in the end, Git is time traveling if you want. You can download the game for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. In the game, you have a couple of features to help you visualize the structure of a Git repository. If you're just starting out, the game helps you with a sort of playing cards setup. So you have cards that you can try and see how they impact your Git repository or this whole flow that you have here. And if you do not like the cards, you can also use the terminal. Now, enough said about this. Let's go and actually see how the game starts and how the game looks. So you have here, I have an installation on Windows, and you can select to either go through the levels or directly go into the sandbox. If you go into the levels, you have an intro with a couple of tasks. They go one by one. I already did a few of them. And when you feel comfortable to engage a task, or when you want to do a specific task, you just select the um, the level, and then you can start. And here we have the cards that it was mentioned before. So to do anything with Time Machine, you first need to initiate it. Drag the blue card to play. Okay. And here we have drag the blue card into play, and here we have Git init. Okay. If you want to go back, want to go to something more complex, let's see, tagging. Should be able to select this. Okay. And again, here you have different cards, but of course, to understand what these are, what these do, how this can be used, you need to install it, you need to have a look yourself. And when you feel really comfortable, you just go to the sandbox environment, and then you can play around. Have a look at it, give it a try, and as always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.